Hey bakers, I'm Kristen from Wicked Goodies, and I'm here to show you what's inside my video masterclass, Gingerbread House Decoration and Construction. This kit comes with 6 different recipes for royal icing, including chocolate mortar, piping icing, and dipping icing. In the videos, I talk about how to adjust royal icing by feel, how to store it, and how to pipe with it. I demonstrate 11 different piping techniques. I provide 2 stable construction methods, as well as tips on how to make chimneys, additions, round structures, and buildings with multiple levels. This is book number 2 in a series. If you are interested in getting my recipe for dough and learning all my best tips for designing and baking gingerbread house parts, you can find that info in book number 1, Gingerbread House Recipe and Baking Instructions. The link to that is included below.